What you doing, Big Mama? Hey, come to Daddy. Come to Daddy here. Daddy. Look at you trying to walk already. Look at you. You're about ready to go, huh? Woo! Come here, monkey. Come here, monkey. Look at you. Yes, that's me. Come here. Come here. Come on. You can do it if you stand up. Not quite, huh? Not quite. Almost. Well, let's see. Whoosh. Whoosh. You almost got it. There you go. There you go. You got to put that other one up a little more. Ooh. Not yet. You're going to get it soon enough, sweetie. You going to show me how you stand up against something? Don't eat the refrigerator. I don't know how good that tastes, Sophie. What are you doing to that refrigerator? What are you doing? What are you doing to that refrigerator? And what you doing wearing this mohawk? Sophie, what are you doing? What are you doing to that refrigerator? That's weird stuff. Come here, come talk to the camera for a minute. Let me see your hand. Look at the camera, look, I'm filming you. Sophie, look. Look, I'm filming you, you're on the camera. Say hello. You're not in the mood right now, huh? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Same thing.